Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be creating a workflow starting with a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets and then automating sending a Slack channel message. All right, let's build a workflow. So we'll go ahead and give our workflow a title. And this is going to be Sheets to Slack. And I'm going to select my trigger. That's going to be Google Sheets. And the event is going to be a new spreadsheet row. So whenever I add a new row to a specific spreadsheet, that's going to initiate this series of events. I'm going to continue on with my Google account. I'm going to select the spreadsheet that I want this workflow to be monitoring. So this is going to be my events spreadsheet. And then the sheet is just going to be sheet 1. Click continue. And then I will test this trigger to see if there's any rows that have been added recently. And in fact, we do have a row here of buying the Batmobile. So we'll use that to set up our workflow. But click continue. I'm going to select the action app of Slack. And the event is going to be send a channel message. Make sure I'm connected to my Slack account. The channel I want to send this message to is my test channel. And then the text of the message will be all the information that's in that spreadsheet row. So we'll say, buy the Batmobile, enter, don't reveal your secret identity. That's where the Batmobile is being hidden. The time we're going to go buy the Batmobile. The time we're going to finish buying the Batmobile. And then the bot name I can specify. It can be either the name of this thing. So we can add that here, buy the Batmobile. Or I could just say it's from myself and put my own name in there. And I'm not going to choose an icon or an emoji. It's not going to be a part of a specific thread, although you could choose to do that if that is what works for you. I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to test my action. And we have a success. So I can click continue here and finish setting up my workflow. I can pop over to Slack and see, oh, there it is. My message was just sent with all that information. So this could be to my team, letting them know whatever information was added to that Google Sheet. Now everyone on the team can see it. I'm going to come back over to the workload editor, check to make sure both of my nodes have a green dot. And if I'm happy with the setup, then I can turn it on to activate it. And now every time I add a new row to that specific spreadsheet, it will send a channel message in my test channel. So that's the simple setup for integrating adding a new row in Google Sheets with sending a channel message in Slack. Please like and subscribe to this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.